What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to play games on Roblox. So the first thing you want to do is ensure that you have a Roblox account. It is super easy to do. Just head over to roblox.com, create an account, sign in. Now once you sign in guys, what's going to happen is that you will be able to click on any game that you have on Roblox. So you can click on charts for example, and you'll find a ton of different games that you can play. Once you click on that game guys, what's going to happen is going to take you over to this page here where you have a play button. And the first time you click on this play button, it's going to say that either download the Roblox on your PC, or if you have it installed and set up on your PC, you will just simply open that Roblox application on your computer and play it from there. Otherwise, as you can see here, I click on it from my browser and it's basically saying open Roblox client, right? So I'm going to open that and it's going to quickly trigger that Roblox client that I have installed on my computer. And it's going to open that for me. Now, as you can see, it's going to quickly open and I have the game here that I can simply play. So here it's basically showing welcome to this Bloxburg, and you will see that within a second I have the game that I can play on Roblox guys, and that's it.